Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the profile. This separates cookies, tabs, and extensions so you can work with different identities. Click the profile's icon in Safari, then create profile and name it clearly for the task. Once done, pick which settings to inherit, bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and decide whether to enable iCloud Sync. Enabling sync keeps bookmarks consistent across devices. Disabling keeps this profile local and isolated. This first step sets the boundary between profiles, so choose options intentionally. Next, tighten the profile for its purpose. You want different privacy and extension settings than your main profile. Go to Settings for that profile, adjust Intelligent Tracking Prevention and Cross-Site Tracking to control fingerprinting and data leakage. Then, manage extensions. Enable only those needed, which reduces background activity and permission scope. Also set the default search engine, homepage, and cookie handling so browsing behavior matches the profile's role. These choices optimize performance and safety for the profile's tasks. Finally, use the profile by switching from the toolbar. Each profile runs in its own window and keeps sessions separated. When you change major settings, close and reopen Safari to ensure everything applies cleanly. If a site stops working, troubleshoot. First, clear cookies within that profile, because cookies often cause login issues. Next, disable recent extensions that might inject scripts. If problems persist, disable iCloud Sync for the profile to isolate sync-related state, then re-enable selectively once fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.